So this week we've been talking about online in the news and everywhere, real versus fake information that we find, and having to be careful about researching correctly so that we get correct information. So today we're going to look at a brain pop game called News Defender. So I've clicked to get myself to the game. There's a link on the 4th grade page. It says News Defender. And now I'm ready to start a new game. So first you get to pick which person you want to play as. And then you're going to give yourself a username. I would just type in the username like you log into the computer. You're going to pick one of these 3 topics. It says one that appeals to you. Student life, it's more than just a school. Health and wellness, living your best life. Sports and entertainment, stay on top of today's culture. So I'm just going to pick student life. Now, there is a welcome here to our community. Getting started, our mission is to promote knowledge, sharing, and discussion around student life, and to be a safe place for everyone to learn and grow. To that end, we have some rules we ask everyone to follow when posting content. Please ensure that each post adheres to the rules presented on the following pages. So we click through, we see our rules. Accuracy, posts must contain accurate facts and information, sources are cited, and claims can be independently verified. Transparency, posts must clearly communicate their purpose. Opinion pieces, sponsored content, and advertisements are labeled. Trustworthiness, posts must come from a trustworthy source, such as a respected news source or knowledgeable expert. Impartiality, posts must address multiple sides of issues. Opinions are great, but they need to show the whole picture. Rule 5, focus, posts must be on topic. Posts not related to the student life community may be removed. Ready to begin? This is your mission. Upholding the integrity of our community is the collective work of all of our members. By clicking the button below, you agree to follow the aforementioned rules when using the site. So you'll click agree, and it's going to take you into the game. Now, it says if you're a first-time player seeing this, you can turn on helpful hints. I'm going to turn them on right now. That's up to you. So this is our news feed where new posts will appear at the top. Over here, side metrics. They will change over time depending on the post in the feed. Your goal is to increase these as much as you can. So integrity, traffic, and focus. Time. You see what day it is and track your progress through the current day. The game will end after day 14. Try to max out your integrity by then. Your profile. You're a guest for now. As the game progresses, you'll level up and gain new abilities. Earn impact points by raising the metrics and choosing the correct rules when reporting. These posts contain helpful gameplay hints. As you read them, more will appear. Click a post to preview it. Click anywhere on this bar to learn more about time and site metrics. Click here to review the site rules. So now that we've got that out of the way, now we're ready to click on a post. So I'm just going to click on the newest one. Engaged youth, not just walking out, stepping up. So you can see here the user who posted it, the author, and the original source. You can choose ways to interact with your post. So view comments or investigate. So if you think that maybe it's a little shady, you don't really like who it was posted by or something, you could investigate it. If you want to see what people are saying, you can view the comments. So if you investigate, you have 3 options. Investigation is the key to figuring out whether news is real or deceptive. What would you like to investigate? You can see how much time each option takes. When you run out of time, click here to return to the feed. So I could pick on one of these, and it types in a search so that we can go look, and it gives me some results. If I want to go back to the feed, I come out here. I could go check out another post. So I'm going to keep playing this game and try to investigate each of these posts and build my integrity, my traffic, and my focus in this newsfeed. If you are having trouble, especially if you're having trouble reading something or you don't understand something, then check with your elbow partner. That would be the person right next to you. Now, do not do that in a loud voice. Do that in a quiet voice to check with your elbow partner for help.